Hey everyone, it's Sandfisha, and welcome back to our art corner. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of sunsets. I'm excited to guide you through creating a beautiful sunset scene. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more artistic adventures. In this video, we'll embark on a creative journey as we draw and color a captivating sunset scene. I'll keep it short and sweet. Let's jump right in. Grab your sketchpad and pencil. We'll start by sketching a serene beach, followed by a graceful tree. Now, place the radiant sun in the sky, casting its warm hues across the scene. Add the calm sea, a small boat gently floating. Distant mountains, and bring it to life with seawater waves and tiny birds dancing in the sky. It might seem like a lot, but I promise it's simpler than it looks. Now, the fun part, coloring. Use warm tones for the sky, blending oranges, pinks, and purples to capture the sunset magic. Add shades of blue for the sea, and don't forget the golden glow on the sand. Experiment with vibrant colors for the boat and the foliage. Let your creativity flow, and soon you'll witness your sunset scene come alive. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art, just your unique expression. If you're enjoying this journey, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It really helps our creative community grow.